Cap 26 here, we just do the tips and repairs, and we've got 2 flow restrictors in this water pick unit. So you have one inside here, you have to undo this and screw that right there, pop that out, but you got to unscrew this one first, which is right here. You want to use needle nose pliers to untwist that slowly. Don't break the tab, just do it slowly and untwist that and pull that one out, and then you can pop this one out with a pair of tweezers this way. I want to show you that, and I hope this is going to solve my problem. No, we're not through yet. I'm going to show you one more thing. That rubber washer we have to put back into the pipe there. So let me show you that. Up in here, you have that washer that I took out. With that other part, put the washer back in. Okay, leave the nut out and the washer in here out. Okay, and we'll show you how it works. Look at the flow in that. Okay, see if I can do this one. Look at that. That's what you need. Okay, I hope this helped you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.